Greetings, wild urban gardeners. I'm going to do a little bit of a garden update just so I can keep track of how my garden's doing. So over here, these were tiny little sliver beets that I transplanted from the very bad spot that I had planted them over here, and I put them into bunches, and man, they're doing really well. Onions are a little slow at the back, but they're trying. Look at those guys. The kale seeds are drying. I'm going to soon be able to pull those out, and I'm going to have zillions of fabulous kale seeds. Alright, over here, a whole pile of little chocolate striped tomatoes. These were the last guys who needed a home. And I had a pepper patch that honestly wasn't doing well because peppers really don't get the heat they need up here. So, in went the chocolate stripes. There'll be a fall harvest and I think they'll do great. Behind them are the Romas who are looking really lovely. Well, let's see if I can walk along. Yeah, you'll notice I've got some guys going to seed here. Dragon's tongue mustard greens, lettuce, some more dragon's tongue. I really like it as a mustard green, and I really want to have my own. So, not the hugest plants, but I'm very happy with them. So, Roma's getting bigger, got them staked. I've been trying to prune them, keeping up. Onions, lettuce. Okay, check it out. I've got rescue lettuce here. Somebody was thinning a lettuce patch, and they were tossing out all these lettuce plants. So the guys at the front there, those reddish color ones that are looking a little floppy, those are rescue plants. So I actually grabbed those yesterday from the composty lands where they were headed, and I transplanted them. And I've been giving them extra water, and soon they're going to just look like all the other lettuces in here, and they'll be glorious. In behind are a couple of Romas that I transplanted over, so they're a little slower than their brothers, but they're going to catch up. Behind that, delicata squash, and beacon in there. Those are sunburst squash, or also known as patty pan. My raspberry patch has established itself, and next year I'll have fabulous raspberries. Over here, check it out. The strawberries are done for the season, but they are sending out runners. So I'm going through and I'm just making sure that I redirect them back in to the patch so that I can build the patch. And in behind there, I don't know how well you can see them. Let's get in closer if I can. Oh, look. Look at the black currants. Don't they look lovely? So black currants will be ready soon. I think that's just fabulous. Strawberries are filling in nicely. And then as we scroll back up, I've got a little patch. Once again, this was peppers that really were struggling. The peppers back at the apartment are huge, and they already have lovely peppers on them, and they're producing like crazy. The ones up here, it was just too darn cold. So out they went, and in went some Jacob's cattle beans. I'm kind of hoping that they'll pop up. I know it's a little late, but I'm optimistic. Fordham Giant Swiss chard. I love that stuff. A tiny little potato patch with way too many potato plants in it, because I didn't know if anybody would grow, but hey, whatever. And lots of lovely tomatoes. And back to the... Check it out, those really epic leek seeds. So, yeah, garden update from here. Things are going good. Stuff that didn't work, I don't dwell over it. I pulled it out, tried to get something else into it. Right? Rescue what I can, use what I can, hope for the best. Great learning experience. So I hope you all are enjoying your wild urban gardens. Leave me something in the comments. Let me know what's going on. What worked? What didn't? What did you have to toss out? What did so much better than you expected? And I hope you were doing better than you expected. All right, I'm out of here, wild ones. Take care. Enjoy the spicy times. We were built for this. Love y'all. Bye.